Most people get this wrong and think buy now, pay later apps are basically free money with no consequences. But here's the truth no one tells you. These apps can help you manage cash flow, but they can also quietly push you into overspending if you are not careful. In this video, you'll learn exactly how the 4-app, buy now pay later system works in 2026, what the real pros and cons are, and whether it is actually worth using or something you should avoid. Let's get straight into it. 4-app is a buy now pay later service that lets you split your purchases into smaller payments instead of paying everything up front. So instead of paying $100 today, you might pay $25 now, and the rest later in installments. For users like Alex who want flexibility on small purchases, it can feel very convenient. Now here's where it gets interesting. The approval process is usually fast and does not always require a hard credit check. That means even users with limited or poor credit history can often get approved. But that does not mean unlimited access. Your spending limit is based on your profile, payment history, and risk level. But here's the problem. Many users assume they can keep stacking multiple BNPL purchases at the same time. So Jake might buy clothes, gadgets, and food all using 4-app without realizing he now has multiple repayment dates coming up. That is where people get into trouble. Let's talk about the pros first. The biggest advantage is flexibility. You can make purchases immediately without needing full cash up front. It also helps people manage short-term budgeting gaps. Another advantage is that there is usually no interest if you pay on time, which makes it attractive compared to credit cards. Now for the cons. Late payments can lead to fees, and in some cases restrictions on your account. And even if it does not hurt your credit immediately, missed payments can still affect your financial profile over time. That is something most beginners overlook. In a minute, imagine two users. One uses 4-app only for planned purchases and pays on time. The other uses it for impulse buying every week. After a few months, one has control and flexibility, while the other is stuck juggling multiple due dates and stress. So is 4-app worth it in 2026? Yes, but only if you use it with discipline. It works best as a budgeting tool, not as extra income or free spending power. If you treat it like a credit extension instead of a payment strategy, it can quickly become risky. To wrap it up, 4-app, buy now pay later is convenient, flexible, and easy to use, but it requires responsibility. The benefit is control over payments, and the risk is overspending if you lose track. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your experience with BNPL apps, and subscribe for more honest financial app breakdowns that actually help you make smarter decisions.